Welcome back to a new tutorial. In a previous tutorial, we have designed our AI-driven digital marketing media lab application to this much. Now this is the final tutorial in which we will complete our PyQt5 GUI application design, and from the next tutorial we will start coding into the Python by getting reference to these combo boxes and the text waves. And before that, we need to first complete this application with the event stats and the sent stats. So in event stats, we will be getting the information how many emails were sent at what time, and how many, in the sent stats, we will be getting the stats how many emails were sent at what time, and into the event stats, we will get the information regarding the events. That's mean how many emails were delivered, when, and how many emails were clicked, how many emails were opened, and how many emails get as a bounced, and how many emails were registered as a complaint. And if you see here into my real application, in this real application you see the last email was sent on the 27 March at 22:59 GMT, and the total email was sent, that was 84,085. Actually total email was sent 84,088, and here it was registered only 84,055. That means 3 emails were failed. That's mean 3 emails were not sent. And in that, total 1497 email were opened and 47 email got clicked. That's mean the link in those emails got clicked, and 172 emails were bounced and 18 emails were registered as a complaint. And if you see here that those emails into our in DynamoDB also, let me show you in the DynamoDB. So in the sent stats, you see here in the item, the latest email which we are sent, that's the 84,088. Okay, and the second latest email was sent 86,339, and if you compare it, it is exactly the same, 86,339. Okay, great. So now let's complete it. Now let's complete its design by adding event stats labels and sent stats label. So it's really very simple. We need to just drag and drop so many labels. So for that we need to first drag and drop this event stats, and for that I think we can copy from here itself, and we need to put those event stats here. So this is event and then stats. Now let's make this size as 12, exactly like this one, and then we can make it as a alignment, as a center alignments, and just place it here. It will automatically align there. And for this, you see the text size, let me see the text size for this, that's the 10. Okay, that's the default text size. Okay, so for that we need label. No, this is combo box. Here is label. We need the first label, that's the 1, and after this 1, I think we can place it at a little higher, and then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to the 5. So this is the 2, then here is 3, and then here is a 4, and the next is 5. I just did Control C and Control V. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, and then we need a date. And if you see the date is the 10, but it is the bold. So the same label, we can just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so here it is date, and it's a bold. And after this date, we need sent, delivery, open, click, and the bounce. So let's Control C, Control V, Control V, V, V. Okay. Okay, so let's first this one. This is sent. We need to put a little space so that the date can come easily. And then after that, we need delivery. That's the delivery. And after that, we need to open, total open emails. After that, we need click, and then we need here bounce, and then we need complaint. Now we need to put this 1 to 5 a little lower. Now we can add here our date and other things. So we need to add one more label here, and then we can copy it and paste it. So for the reference, we can give here just some date so that we can get a reference how it would look like once a real date would show here. Okay. So the once real date would show here, it will look like this, and the same way we can copy this and then we can paste it here. So let's say make it just a 10,000 emails. Okay, perfect. Okay, now this is 10,000, and in the same way I can copy it and paste it here. That's great. Perfect. And now this is the perfect. This is perfect, and here this is perfect. For bounce, we can make it like this. For click, open, delivery, and the send. Perfect. I think this would be better. This look like better if we align it with these labels. So let's align it with the click and the bounce, and also with complaint. Okay. So everything is okay up to now. Let's press Control and the R. Now you will see here the send, delivery, open, click, and the bounce, and the complaint total. Okay. Perfect. So date, sent, delivery, open, click, bounce, and the complaint. And what I can do now, one more thing, always remember, all those boxes or the label, Qt label boxes are the text edit. Whatever, if we need to change it in the runtime, we have to give some specific reference ID, object ID here. Otherwise, it would be difficult to refer from these labels name. So we can give here as a stats date stats kind of things here. See, I have given here stats underscore date 1. From here we can do a same stats underscore date 1, and for it this we can give just a simple name as a sent, and for this we can give as a simple name as a delivery. This would be delivery 1 actually, and this would be a sent 1, and here this should be open 1, and then this will be click 1, and then this will be bounce 1, bounce 1, and then this will be complaint 1. Okay, so here you see now we have the reference for all those labels which we will be needing while programming into the Python. Now we can select all these together, and then we can copy it and then we can paste it, and the later we can align it with the number 2. Okay, great. And then again we can just paste it, and the later we can align it with the 3, and then once again we can paste it, and then we can align it with the 4, and then once again we can paste it, and let's align it with the number 5. Now we need to give here the dates. Okay, so this is the specific date 1, and this is the 2, and then finally this should be date 3, and then this should be date 4, and then this should be date 5. Perfect. And then this should be the sent to, oops, and then this should be sent 3, oops, and this is sent 4, and this is sent 5. This is delivery 1, this is delivery 2, this is delivery 3, this is delivery 4, and this is delivery 5. Then we need to make it as open 2, open 5, open 4, open 3. Then click 2, click 3, click 4, click 5. Now this is bounce 4,